We travel so much. We travel 16 weeks out of the year. During those 16 weeks, I am left at home with the children.
Hi, Mommy and the kids. It's nice to be in Australia where there's no snow, but it's not a glamorous spot. It's not as interesting as Hartford, Connecticut.
I think maybe in recent years you and I have not talked to each other enough. I think communications has sort of broken down. Charlie is always criticizing the children. He is telling me that everything that is wrong in the family is my fault. Dr. Lamb today made me sound like the lowest form of human being that I can imagine.
You probably don't really quite agree with my philosophy on love and sex.
We cuddle up to each other at night. We like to be close to each other. And we can't open our mouths to each other. We just seem to be bristling at each other all the time.
I don't know what's the matter, darling. I don't know what's the matter.
God, I can understand people who kill their children rather than have them live like this.
If our private lives ever came out, it would sort of shock people.
I want out.